Hey guys, Eric here at AVO, and behind me we've got a stage 1 big brake kit from Powerbrake on a new Toyota 4Runner. We get a lot of questions on why customers should upgrade to a big brake kit. What are the differences between this and a power stop kit that you can find on Amazon, which is like rotors and pads? There's quite a bit of a difference between both systems. I want to show you guys real quick. So behind me with this kit in particular, it's a gray caliper, but you get one of the first things customers will see right off the bat is the larger caliper. So you get a 6-piston caliper. In this case, on the Toyota 4Runner, you went from a 4-piston to a 6-piston. So you have 3 pistons on each side pushing against a larger brake pad. And that larger brake pad, and that, of course, a much better brake pad compound that you get from Powerbrake over like what you're going to get online or from Toyota. It's more for how we're using them on these vehicles with a lot of weight, or just a lot more heat built up into the brakes. But with that larger pad, then against that larger pad up against the bigger rotor gives you a much better braking performance. In addition to the larger rotor, or benefits from the larger rotor, is going to be that you get rid of heat better. You have a lot more cooling vanes built into this directional rotor. They're also slotted as well. So if we were to compare the factory rotor and put it up against this, you'd see just in the diameter alone, the rotors are very different. Also in the thickness of the rotor as well. So right now, this is a fresh install. You've got a coating on these rotors just to protect them in transit. But this will go ahead and come off right away the first time we go to bed these brake pads in. With the caliper, it is very much derived from their race calipers that Powerbrake puts on a lot of the Dakar trucks that they work with Toyota, for example, overseas for the Dakar rally races. They're pretty much a trickle-down caliper for what we can use now on these vehicles, even with a stock wheel. And so this is not just a performance caliper, it's an off-road performance caliper that can deal with all the mud, sand, and rocks and stuff that are going to be thrown around in the wheel at really high speeds and not destroy your braking system. And so that's unique to these kits too. There are some other companies that have adapted street calipers for 4-wheel drive trucks, and those aren't going to hold up as well as what Powerbrake is designed here. This is a massive upgrade compared to just putting on a rotor and a pad on the vehicle. Those are good upgrades, but if you're looking to really take it to the next level, if you have a canopy camper or pulling a trailer, or have added 1,000 pounds to your 4Runner, or you've added a supercharger like what our customer's done in this instance where they're going to be moving faster, this is the best upgrade you can make. Come take a test drive. Hop in one of our vehicles that we've got set up with Powerbrakes, get to experience that difference in real life if you're on the fence on these kits. We do stock them as well, so give us a shout if you're looking to get something done soon. We keep most of the popular kits like Gladiator, 4Runner, Tacoma all here in the store, and we'd love to chat and educate you guys on these. So thanks for tuning in. Make sure to subscribe and like the video, and we'll see you guys next time.